Hello, this is Victor from RestoreYourMercedes.com. This video is for Michael in Indiana. Okay, Michael, so here's your 1993 300 SC throttle body. It came very clean. I just cleaned it a little more just to make it nice and shiny here, so when I open up the case, no dirt falls in. Internally, the unit is really nice also. As you can see, there's basically minimum rust on it. Gears look good, everything seems fine. The motor is free to spin. Potentiometer case is clean. Everything seems nice. I also cleaned it inside as well. As you can see, this is a little bit of residue from the cleaner. Well, once it's open, might as well clean it from graphite dust that accumulates over time. So that's what I just did. So it dries up. Connection wise, 92-93 models came with this large round connector that has spring inside, so you turn it and it locks it in a connector that is on the fender. So I do not have direct connection, so I had to make the adapter here, as you can see, directly connecting these pins on your connector to the adapter cable and connect other pins into the more modern, like 94-95 connector that I have connected to my computer modules here. Yours is going to be connected to the bottom one, that is a non-ASR TLLR module, because this unit is not ASR unit. This is regular cruise control and idle speed controller in non-ASR vehicles. Now, this is the side where all the action is. This side I'm not gonna even open because there's only a micro switch inside, and I hear it that it engages quite well, so you can even hear how it clicks. So this is fine. I don't have problems with that. Sometimes if it doesn't click, then you have to go, in this case, very difficult to get this case open because it's welded around the perimeter. The shaft is welded, and you also have to make sure, see over here there's a weld. But anyway, thank God we don't have to go in here. You can hear it click. I don't know if camera picks it up, but you hear a metallic click. I'm not touching the edge, as you can see. Click has to happen before lever touches the edge. So it happens before lever touches. So this is perfect. So basically this is it. It's all connected. It's ready for the test right now. As you can see, throttle opens and closes, and I can also spin these gears with one finger. Clutch coil is not energized because the unit is off. Here we have the clutch coil to energize and get these two gears, this gear and the control gear, to be tied up together. You see how it moves. So I'm going to energize it so you can see that this unit works. Here's the power switch here I have, right down to the right top corner. So now the unit is energized, so we hear a healthy hum. That means the unit is control and idle at this moment. And now I cannot move this gear because the motor is holding it in position it has to be. As you can see, I'm trying to, and the motor brings it back. That means throttle body is working. And if I open the throttle a little bit, you see it tries to move, but it shouldn't move, and it will not move. It only will correct idle when you let go. As you can see, when you let go of the gas, and it will try to correct the opening of the throttle plate, so engine will not stall. So as you can see, I move the plate and motor tries to slightly adjust itself. So by far this unit is fine. I don't see any problems with it. Now what's gonna happen next is that I'm going to have this unit sitting on my bench energized overnight, and for over 12 hours. It's about, what time is it? As you can see, the time is about 7:20. So what I'll do is I'm going to have this energized overnight, and if clutch coil is bad, it will heat up and it will shut down if there's a problem. But so far so good. I see no issues with it. Usually older style units are more robust, or they build better than 94, 95. These are first better versions of the electronic actuators made by Mercedes. As you can see, even wires are nice, whereas you open up any 94, 95 unit, wires will be completely deteriorated. So in this particular case, the wires are good, but we still want to check internals, make sure units do not shut down when they get hot. Okay, basically that's all I wanted to make the video out. Make the video for, just to show you that this unit indeed activates. You can see I can put the power on and off. No problems. It activates, deactivates, keeps running, no problems. See, this is the wiring loom connected to the bottom computer right down under all the others. So yeah, so this unit I see seemed to be just fine. So like I said, I'm going to leave it energized to get it nice and hot, and let's see what happens. So far so good, but because you have intermittent problems, I would rather have it heat up and test it out and see if everything is okay with it before I mail it back to you. But this seems to be a keeper. It's a nice and clean unit. I really don't have any issues with it. Okay, well, I'll keep you posted. I'll call you later just to tell you that, to let you know what's going on with that overnight test. And most likely it will pass, and I will be mailing this unit back to you shortly. This week is coming. I have to mail it out because I'm leaving for the week, so I want to have everything out of my workshop here. So units are all finished. They have to be mailed out. Okay, thank you for watching. This was Victor at restoreyourmercedes.com.